Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top of straight teach iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Visualizer and simple status bar auto visualizer. It's a tweet that's simple audio visualizer in your status bar. This is called Vism, and tired of going to the weather app every morning, Vism to here. So I guess it adapts to your location and brings the weather to your fingertips. This is called Orion. It brings peek and pop back to devices that have the 3D touch hardware for iOS 13. And this is the other Orion, one of the most powerful screenshots of it, one of the most powerful and essential tweets for iOS 13 and 14. These are your features. As you can see, you actually have a ton of features. You also have this stuff too. Boot, user speed, LD restart, power off device, lock the device safe mode, UI cache. This is called Sunflower. So you'll have to touch and re-enable pressure based stressors. This is called Tweak Reviews DB. Is you read and create reviews about your tweets with Tweak Reviews DB, which is Cilio, Zebra, Cydia, and the Solid 5. This is called Tweak Restrictor, and allows you to save all tweets and apps to PayPal or Snapchat in order to prevent bans. This is called PoJav Launcher, iOS Dev, and Minecraft transition comes to iOS. This is called Air Pop-Up Connect, and as a connect button to the AirPods or any other H1 chip device pop-up screen. This is called Friday, inject JavaScript to spoil iOS apps over USB. This is called Enchant, enhance your notifications. This is called Tab Count, show tab count Safari, iOS 13 to 15, only iPhone or iPod. This is called Velvet, a new way to customize your notifications. So, you're waiting for it to be highly customizable, individual customized banners, lock screen notifications, and media player without needing to respring ever. They have two different appearances with a ton of options. This is called Translate and quickly translate any text. That's actually one of my favorite tweets because if you're speaking to someone who speaks a different language, also when you speak to someone who speaks a different language, you also start to learn that language, get familiar with that language. This tweet can help you learn that language, adapt to that language, and speak to someone that speaks a different language without having to go to Google Translate. You can actually access it very, very easily with this tweet. So highly recommend it. I use it with a tweak, we call it screenshot tweet called, but you basically would screenshot and then you can actually put it into the bubble. But you do that with Translate. And with Translate, you do that, it translates automatically a text. So it's OCR, so it kind of reads the text and you can also translate it. So pretty cool. Added translation to Facebook stories. And on the topic of translating tweets, I have another one. These are my two favorite ones. Obviously, these are the two best on Cydia. Is Translomatic and Translo. Translo created by Miro, which is also another developer, great developer. Lifesaver translate tweak, so to make your life easier when chatting with foreigners. This is a video. Down in a minute. Can you give me a minute? Okay, 1 minute. This tweet's called Simple Status Bar and Modern Simple with Maintained Simplicity. Choose a theme called Laika, modern, colorful, and carefully designed. She's called With the Suit 3 for WhatsApp, all-in-one tweak for WhatsApp Messenger, supports iOS 9 to 14, privacy protection, status, chats, chat list, general media, user interface, notifications, and a bunch. Pretty much allows you to makes WhatsApp easy to use and simpler by using this tweak, supports iOS 9 to 14. But you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and